Everyone loves to hear great feedback, and really, we're no different. When we receive a 5-star review, we just want to shout it out from the mountaintops. That's why we're so happy to share this one with you right now. We know the level of service we try to provide, but this type of feedback makes us push harder to do better. We love to hear the good news when someone takes the time to tell us they appreciate the job we're doing. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. Contact us soon. We look forward to working with you.